Amsterdam boasts a rich and fascinating history, evolving from a humble fishing village to a global powerhouse and cultural hub. Here's a glimpse into its past. Early years, 13th–16th centuries. Founded around 1275, the city began as a small settlement built around a dam on the Amstel River. Fishing and trade were the mainstays, and Amsterdam gradually gained privileges and exemptions, fostering growth. The Reformation in the 16th century brought religious tolerance, attracting persecuted groups and boosting trade further. Golden Age, 17th century. This era saw Amsterdam blossom into a global center of commerce, finance, and maritime power. The Dutch East India Company, a formidable trading empire, made the city immensely wealthy. Art, science, and culture flourished, with renowned artists like Rembrandt and Vermeer gracing the scene. Canals, iconic landmarks like the Royal Palace and the Stock Exchange were built during this golden age. Challenges and resilience, 18th–19th centuries. Wars and economic downturns impacted Amsterdam's dominance, but its spirit remained strong. The city became a center for the Enlightenment and a haven for revolutionaries seeking freedom. Industrialization brought new challenges and opportunities, shaping the city's landscape. 20th and 21st centuries. Amsterdam faced World War II's devastation but emerged with renewed resolve. Tourism flourished, and the city embraced diversity and tolerance, becoming a cultural melting pot. Today, Amsterdam is a global city known for its vibrant art scene, innovative spirit, and commitment to sustainability. This is just a brief overview, of course. Each era holds its own stories and complexities, waiting to be explored. Whether you're interested in maritime exploration, artistic masterpieces, or the city's social movements, Amsterdam's history offers something for everyone. Dam Square is more than just a square. It's a vibrant hub overflowing with history, culture, and activity. Here are some words to paint a picture. Historical grandeur. Standing at the birthplace of Amsterdam, where the Amstel River was tamed by a dam in the 13th century. Dominated by the majestic Royal Palace, once a town hall, exuding elegance and Dutch Golden Age power. Juxtaposed by the National Monument, a poignant reminder of sacrifice in World War II, rising tall with quiet dignity. Bustling Energy. A constant hum of tourists, locals, street performers, and pigeons fluttering about. A kaleidoscope of shops, from luxury department stores to souvenir stalls, catering to every desire. Cafes spilling onto the square, inviting you to linger over coffee and watch the world go by. Cultural Tapestry, hosting demonstrations, celebrations, and events, reflecting the city's dynamic spirit. A melting pot of languages and cultures, echoing Amsterdam's cosmopolitan nature. Surrounded by iconic sites like the New Kerk, New Church, and Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, offering deeper dives into the city's story. A place to soak up the atmosphere and feel the pulse of Amsterdam. People watch and absorb the vibrant energy. Take a moment of reflection at the National Monument. Indulge in some retail therapy or savor a leisurely cafe experience. Be part of the ongoing story of this historic and ever-evolving square. Whether you're seeking history, culture, or simply a taste of Amsterdam's unique energy, Dam Square offers something for everyone. So, come experience it for yourself. Cute little shop serving so many varieties of Gouda cheese. The lady in the shop was incredibly friendly and offered generous samples to help us choose the perfect one. If you're anywhere near De Negev Straatjes, definitely visit the shop. You won't regret it. Holland's delectable delight, a dive into Haringa. Haringa, or Dutch herring, is more than just a fish. It's a national treasure in Holland, steeped in tradition and boasting a taste unlike any other. Here's what makes this silver wonder so special. Fresh from the deep, forget bland, frozen fish. This delicacy arrives straight from the North Sea, caught at the peak of its season for optimal flavor and texture. Imagine a crisp bite yielding to juicy, sweet flesh, a seafood lover's dream. Prepared with finesse, traditionally served raw, Haringa undergoes a meticulous cleaning and salting process that enhances its natural sweetness and infuses it with a unique saltiness. This preservation technique, passed down for generations, is key to its distinctive character. Beyond the bite, but don't let the raw aspect intimidate you. Haringa is typically eaten whole, tail and all, held by the tail over your head and tilted back for a bite. Embrace the experience. It's part of the Dutch charm. Flavorful twists. While traditionally served plain with chopped onions, some enjoy it with pickles or on a crusty roll with mustard. Adventurous foodies might try majestic, younger herring with a milder, creamier flavor. A cultural icon. More than just a snack, Haringa is woven into Dutch culture.
On Google,
From street vendors with their distinctive cries to festive herring happenings, it brings people together to celebrate this national treasure. So, if you find yourself in Holland, don't miss the chance to try Haringa. It's an experience that goes beyond taste. It's a window into Dutch tradition and a delicious adventure for your palate. A walk through time. Amsterdam's architectural tapestry. Amsterdam's charm lies not just in its canals and bicycles, but also in its unique architectural heritage. Imagine strolling through streets lined with houses whispering stories of the past, each facade a reflection of different eras and influences. Here's a taste of what awaits. Golden Age grandeur. Step back to the 17th century, Amsterdam's golden era. Tall, narrow canal houses with characteristic stepped gables and red brick facades rise majestically, adorned with ornamental details that speak of prosperity and artistry. Each gabled peak, a unique design, reflects the owner's personality and profession. Dutch Renaissance charm. These houses are not just beautiful, they're practical too. Their narrow facades maximize canal frontage, while large windows flood interiors with light. Hidden courtyards provide tranquil green spaces, and clever pulley systems hoist goods from the canals directly to upper floors. Beyond the canals. Venture beyond the iconic canals and discover charming squares lined with stately buildings from different eras. For a deeper dive, explore museums like the Amsterdam History Museum or Het Scheepvaart Museum, National Maritime Museum, to understand the context and stories behind the architecture.